What is anemia? Your body's energy crisis. Hello everyone, have you ever felt so tired that even getting out of bed feels like a huge chore? Breathless after running around? Sometimes this could be a sign of something called anemia. That might sound big and scary, but let's break it down together. Think of your body as a busy city. The city needs lots of energy to keep running. That energy is delivered by special little delivery trucks in your blood. Picture red blood cells as those trucks. Their job is to carry oxygen all around your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Oxygen is the fuel every part of you needs. Anemia happens when you don't have enough healthy red blood cells to do the deliveries. It's like a delivery company with too few trucks on the road. When there aren't enough red blood cells or the ones you have aren't working properly, less oxygen reaches your muscles and organs. That's why a common sign is feeling very tired and weak. Your body is basically running low on fuel. It's asking for a little extra help to get its energy back. Anemia is common and can affect anyone at any age, from little ones to grown-ups. You might notice clues like skin looking paler, feeling dizzy, or having cold hands and feet. Let's meet the three most common culprits. The first and most well-known type is called iron deficiency anemia. Your red blood cells are made in a special factory inside your bones, and to make them strong and healthy, this factory needs a very important ingredient, iron. Iron is like the special metal used to build the body of our delivery trucks. If you don't get enough iron from the food you eat, your body can't produce enough red blood cells. It's as simple as a toy factory running out of the right kind of plastic to make its toys. Next up we have vitamin deficiency anemia. This one is a bit like our red blood cell factory running out of a different but equally important building material. The two most common vitamins involved are vitamin B12 and folate. These vitamins help make sure the red blood cells are the right size and shape to do their job properly. Without enough B12 or folate, the body might make red blood cells that are too big and oddly shaped, a bit like trying to fit a giant wobbly square wheel on a delivery truck. The third main type is called anemia of chronic disease. This one is a little different. It can happen when you have another long-term health condition like an infection that has been around for a while or an inflammatory condition. These conditions can sometimes interfere with your body's ability to use the iron it has stored. It's like having plenty of iron in the warehouse, but the roads to the factory are blocked. Each of these types of anemia has a different cause, which is why it's so important for your doctor to find out which one you might have. Understanding the why is the very first step toward finding the right solution to get you feeling better. Now, how do doctors figure out which type of anemia might be causing you to feel so tired? One of the most amazing tools they use is called a peripheral blood smear. It sounds fancy, but it's really just a way of looking at your blood cells up close under a microscope. A tiny drop of your blood is carefully smeared onto a glass slide, a special dye is added to make the cells easier to see, and then a scientist or doctor looks at it through a powerful lens. This simple test acts like a window, giving us a direct view of your red blood cells and revealing important clues about their health. This close-up look is incredibly helpful because different types of anemia can change the way your red blood cells look. A healthy red blood cell is a beautiful thing. It's a lovely round disc, slightly paler in the middle, and just the right size. Think of it as a perfect tiny donut. When we look at a blood smear from someone without anemia, we expect to see lots and lots of these perfectly formed uniform cells. However, when someone has iron deficiency anemia, the picture changes quite a bit, because the body doesn't have enough iron to build proper red blood cells. The cells it does make often look small and pale. We call these cells microcytic, which just means small cell and hypochromic, which means less color. For vitamin B12 or folate deficiency anemia, the clue is the complete opposite. Instead of being too small, the red blood cells are often much larger than normal. It's like a detective story where every clue gets us closer to solving the mystery. So, why is it so important for your doctor to see these tiny clues in your blood? Well, knowing what the red blood cells look like helps them confirm not only that you have anemia, but also what is likely causing it. If the blood smear shows small, pale cells, your doctor will be quite certain that you need more iron. On the other hand, if the blood smear reveals those large, oval-shaped cells, the treatment plan will be completely different. Feeling tired all the time isn't something you just have to put up with. If you've been feeling unusually weak, breathless, or just not yourself, please don't ignore it. Have a chat with a grown-up you trust and make an appointment to see your doctor. They can help you investigate the cause and find the best way to get your energy back, so you can go back to running, playing, and being your amazing self.